lies question, Nana. Next question. Yeah, if J is son of the doctor, okay, if J is the son of the doctor, okay, read that question and tell me your answer. Yeah, if J is son of the doctor, okay, if J is son of the doctor, then which of the following is correct? Okay, the uncle of the father of J is B. The uncle of, no, G is the paternal aunt of J. G is the paternal. Yes, I think this is right, right? G is the paternal aunt. I think this is right. I think second one is right, right? Everybody, kindly reply in the live chat. Yes. Okay. Second one is correct. Okay, guys. Today also you will encounter in the practice sheet. You know, today also you will get nice questions. Okay. I am gathering some blood relation set of these kind of questions. In few days I'll send you the PDF. Not now, after the you know your, what is this exam? Yeah, Infosys is done, because I don't want to waste your time there. So yeah, guys, I want to tell you one update. No, let me finish that first, guys. You know, how many of you know the company called McKinsey? McKinsey is it's a consulting company. Okay, McKinsey is a consulting company. Okay, how many of you know about it? McKinsey. Yeah, because for 2022, those who are in third year, okay, those who are in third year, yeah, they can, yeah, a lot of people don't know regarding this, because we know only the IT sector companies. Okay, so guys, McKinsey is offering an internship. Trust me, it's a you can research it, because a lot of IIM students will get into these companies after they pursued their MBA degree from IIM Ahmedabad, IIM. Okay, a lot of big IIMs, you know, they go and they recruit here. Okay, so one of the internship is going on there. Okay, in McKinsey. Why don't you apply? Because it may be a work from home kind of thing. Okay, so today I'll post this in my LinkedIn. I'll send you the link in through my, okay, yeah, I'll show it through, I'll send the link in, you know, LinkedIn profile. So please try to apply from there. Okay, Jahanavi is saying I tried to apply, always it's showing something went wrong every time. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, please, I'll do there. So go and try to get this, or you can type in Google, you know. Yeah, because I am interested, because you know, this is a nice company, because it's a consulting company, it's a big company. You can search regarding this particular company. Okay, yeah. Okay, so anyway, I'll share it there. So please, if you want, you can apply from there. Okay, guys, you know, a person starts walking. Yeah, these are easy questions, you can do it. I don't want to, yeah, that is only for 2022 passed out. So that's what the point. Yes, that's 2022 passed out only. Yeah. Okay, yeah, what is the answer? Because I don't need to write anything. I think you can give your answers. Yeah, a person starts from his house, reach the hospital, he travel 2 kilometers towards the east, and turns left, travels 3 kilometers, again turns right, travel 2 kilometers. Then what is the horizontal distance covered by the person? Yeah, Surya Dubyala is my LinkedIn ID. Surya Dubyala, SURYA Yes. So guys, tell me whenever, because I don't think so this is a difficult one. So this is a north, south, east, and west. Okay, a person traveled 2 kilometers east. Okay, 2 kilometers east. So he traveled 2 kilometers like this. Okay, uh, and turn left. Left means he's traveling towards which direction? Tell me, north direction or south direction? Please first clarify this. Okay, he took, yeah, he's traveling towards which direction? North direction. He traveled north direction. How many kilometers? 3. Then he turned what? Yeah, then he turned what? Right. Again he traveled what? 2 kilometers. So here it is the hospital. Okay, here it is the hospital. So they were asking what is the horizontal distance. So what is the total horizontal distance, Nana? The horizontal distance is what here? 4 kilometers. Out of curiosity, I'm asking what is vertical distance? Horizontal distance is 4, no? What is vertical distance? From starting point to ending point, vertical means this. So what is this direction? 3 kilometers. Okay, 3 kilometers. So please mind when you are solving, you know, these kind of questions. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, you can solve all these questions, I know. Yeah. Yeah, quickly solve all these questions. Guys, you know, I posted the LinkedIn in LinkedIn that particular link. So please go and look at there. Yeah. Whatever come to my notice, you know, I'll try to post in LinkedIn. Okay, so please try to, if you think it is useful, you know, try to apply it. Don't take any chance. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Surya Dubyal Asif. Okay, what is the answer, ma? If north become east, east become south, south become west, then west becomes, what is the answer? Yeah, everybody is right. Answer is what? North. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. So you can solve these questions. These are easy. Okay, you can solve this. Definitely. Yeah. You can definitely solve these questions. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, you know, take screenshot of these questions and try to get your answers, because these are easy. You can do it. Okay. Yeah. What is the this question answer? North. Is this question answer is north? Everyone? Okay. Okay. What about the last question answer? Okay. Yeah. He turns twice left, you know. Let's say you're traveling in this direction. You know, you took left one time. Again, you took left another time. So this is what? 2 times left. Sorry. This is right, no? So this is left. 2 times left is this. Okay. Yeah. Guys, you know, first take the screenshot of it, you know, try to get, because you can do it, these questions. I think I know what to discuss and what Okay. Please try. No, why don't you try it? Okay, please try. If you are not getting it today evening, I'll discuss. Okay. Yeah. So that's all my time, guys. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Have a great day. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. The first question answer is north. And is this north or west? Some people are saying west. Some people are saying north. North only, no? Is this north only, right? Please answer this. North only. The second one, west. A lot of people are saying west. Okay, we'll stick to west. Okay. How about the last one? Last one. Last one. Tell me the option. Option C. Okay. 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 We'll see. If you don't get it, try. You have 10 more minutes. No, try in this 10 minutes. If you are still not getting it, I'll discuss tomorrow. But don't lose any chance. Please, whatever come to my mind, I'll try to post in LinkedIn the internships kind of thing. So please go and grab it. So thanks a lot for being in the session, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.